Hey folks, Mike, East Kentucky Explorer, out in the woods again. On a little hike. It's cool today. It's been in the 70s and it's 36 this morning, but it looks like it might warm up. But anyway, my cousin Larry said I needed to talk more in my video, so we're going to try to do that today. I'm going to keep climbing up, and I'll get back with y'all in a few. Still moving. I'm telling you, that wind is blowing hard, and it's not a warm wind either. I don't know if you can hear it or not. It's roaring around the top of the mountain. And that's where we're going. Get back with y'all in a few. Came up on this little holly bush. I see a few occasionally out in the woods, but I've never saw one out in the woods with berries on it. I don't know what the deal with that is, but I've never saw one that had any red berries on it. But anyway, I'm going to continue on, and we'll get back with y'all in a few. Well, we're a little bit higher on the mountain now. Still got a ways to go. I got a camera on top that I'm gonna change the batteries in, and another one that I hope I can just turn off and back on, and it'll start working again. It's cell cameras, so they can be kind of picky. But anyway, I was just updating y'all. It's time to do some more climbing. Get back with y'all in a few. Well, we've made it to another old logging road. We gotta cross one more, and then we got a steep climb up the ridge. It's turned into a beautiful day. Still a little bit cool, but it's just where it was so warm last week. It feels cold, I guess, but I broke a sweat now. I sure love these old mountains. Yep, still got some climbing to do. Onward. Final push to the top of this mountain anyway. The cameras are from the point I get to the top, it's probably 200 yards, I'd say. But anyway, let's get this done. There's your root ball. I'll get back with y'all when I get to the top. Well, after some rock scrambling, I made it to the top. And it's expected the wind is howling up here. But we made it. I think it's time for a break. We'll get back with y'all in a few. Found another pretty little holly bush. I'm up on this flat looking for antler sheds. Deer used to bed in here a whole lot. Not saw much sign of it yet. Pretty place though. Interesting looking. All right, we'll get back to y'all in a few.